Circus Hotel and Casino here in Las Vegas. Let's do a walking tour, nighttime, and all the colors are nice. All the lights are on. Right. So it looks like I was trying to avoid the cars. So this is the taxi and pickup area. All right. Hmm. All right. Okay, so there's looks like a program, Cash Bash.
All
Oh,
right, 100.
oh, okay. Looks like they have a raffle tonight. Raffle.
100. Jot that down.
All right.
Number 8.
So in the entrance, yep, it's the casino area. Okay, so let's look. Let's go around here.
Maria Blanco.
No. We have the table games. So let's go here. So we have the bar. Now let's go here. There's a bar again in this side. All right, I just went around. And that's where the group of people are with a raffle. Okay. So bar with casino slots. And then there's the men's restroom. The women's restroom should be on the other side. You could see the other bar. And then let's check this out, this area right here. Okay, so they have Halo, Jurassic Park, and okay, arcade for the family fun. All right. And they have TVs too in here. Oh, this is a big Hello Kitty. All right. Mm, mm, mm. Duck Law. Oh, and they have sweet Amanda's here, M&Ms, and all the other sweets. It's a vending machine for candy. Mm, all right. And they have a lot of toys in here. All right. All right. So slots. Okay. And then hello. And this is the pizzeria, pizza place. All right. All right. And looks like this is sports and more, souvenirs, shirts, funny shirts. Mm. So this is for temporary tattoos. Mm. Market Express, figurines, figurines and jewelry. Okay. So you have this in here. So let's just check all on the right side. We have the Magnet Max, all the magnets, souvenirs. And then the buffet. I am not sure if this buffet is operational. Okay. And then jewelry. Ah, okay, so this is food. Okay, so mini food court here at Circus. So you got the Burger King, pickup sticks, Popeyes, and Einstein's Bro Bagels. That could be in the morning. Einstein's Bagels might be open during breakfast and brunch. Okay. Oh, and this is Krispy Kreme donuts. Krispy Kreme donuts. Oh, this is the hotel lobby. Okay, so this is another way to the hotel lobby. Okay, it's like a shortcut, and then those are the elevators for hotel guests. And yes, welcome to Circus Las Vegas. So this is their front desk. Looks like they are kiosk to check in, but there's still a person who helps out. And then there's the bell desk. All right. So this is where I came out earlier, and this is going to the back. There's a lot of parking in the back too, and that leads to Sammy Davis Jr. Drive on the other side. But on the front, it is the Las Vegas Strip. All right. So in here, they have a gift shop. They called it the lobby store. Yep. They have gift shops right here. Circus, Circus. All right. And then they have the Circus Spirits, alcohol, Cena Tower. Hmm. Oh, that's the exit. Exit. All right. And then this one leads to the Adventure Dome, these escalators. And this is the a bar. And this is now another set of casino slots and gambling. Mm. So they have a restaurant over there. They have table games. Uh, okay, so they have a bar here too. Bar. Alright. So this is a small area wherein they have a lot of slots, but this is not on the front entrance. So this is on a different part of Circus Circus, and then they have a small shop here, souvenir shop, and so these are the yep. So these are the elevators to the hotel rooms. So that is an elevator. It says fitness center located on second floor. And so this is okay. Souvenir shop. Oh, nice. Souvenir shops. A lot of souvenir shops here. Oh, nice. All of the wow. Now that's a lot of anime. And they have the JNR boutique in here. Hmm. Just go around here. So the Del Taco is coming soon in this spot. And there are still slots in this area. It's a lot of slots. Oh, and then this is the cashier casino cage area here. and security. Oh, and they say this is a moving platform right here. Yeah, it moves. So let's just go around here. So yeah, and then there's still a lot of slots in this area. Oh, yeah. Mhm. All right. And then this is $15 and below for drinks and the container. All right. All right, let's go to the walkway. Walkway to slots of fun. So let's go to slots of fun. All right, let's go here. Okay. So this is a separate casino floor that is still under Circus Hotel and Casino. So go inside here. Oh yeah. So there's a lot. So there you go. There's a bar in here. And then this is where the table games are in the middle. And then they have a gift shop. All right. And they have bowling for family and kids. Oh, for kids mainly. And see, these are old style slots. Wow, these are old style slots. Yep, those are old style slots with a lever. All right, so I am here at the Las Vegas Strip. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Thank you for watching, and on the next page you'll have more walking tour videos to choose from. See you on the next video.